The easiest bread ever, banana bread done in just 5 minutes, and it's so good. Let's learn this recipe. Let's just start using just a few ingredients. I'm gonna start with 2 bananas and let's smash them very well, okay? This way, as you can see on the video. After that, let's put this banana in a bowl. Enjoy this moment and tell us what city you're watching this recipe from. Let's add 2 eggs and a tablespoon of sugar. Let's mix everything very well. This little bread, besides being very easy, is so good. Add a cup of flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Let's mix until it's all mixed up, okay? All together. It has to be very smooth like this, guys. Now, it's time to finish this recipe. In a frying pan with butter inside of it, we are going to put this way with the spoon, okay? The amount you prefer. The more you put, the bigger this bread will be. After frying on one side, you just have to turn it around to fry on the other side. It's everything very simple and fast. This little banana bread with honey, guys, it's amazing. Do you want an amazing tip to get it better? When it gets out from the frying pan, put a little bit of honey and cinnamon, guys. Seriously, it's amazing. It's also good for those days you wanna eat some sweet, some candy. These can replace it, okay? And you can replace the flour by rice flour, okay? It will be even healthier. And like I told you guys about the cinnamon, we are going to mix a little bit of sugar with the cinnamon to put in our banana bread, okay? It will give a very special touch to it. Here I'm using the baking sugar, okay? For your breakfast, for your afternoon snack, it's amazing. Kids love it too. You can finish it with a little bit of honey as well, that it's amazing. And besides being very yummy, it's super beautiful as well. Look at it, guys. And it is super fluffy. I'm gonna show you. Look at it very closely, how sweet, how fluffy it is. Look, guys, this recipe is amazing. It's for any time, any day, and you use just a few ingredients. And these ingredients I'm pretty sure you have at your house already. And this was today's dish. I hope you liked this recipe. And if you did, don't forget to rate us down here.